100 drippin' designer, finna go hit up your pond. He got a problem, I don't do all of that talking. He gotta toss that chop, just like I'm Curry. I was just clutching at 30, drive by getting sturdy, and we just dumping it back lane, leaving the track on the ground, night dirty. Sound like Uzi, hitting this blind so high, I'm a little woozy, She a little groupie, I got that Drake in the trunk, pull like you ready to bust.
Yo, we gotta go,
Bro,
we gotta go.
Why did you just run up on me like that, bro?
Bro, Ian is here.
Bro, who is
Ian? We have to evacuate. We gotta go.
Evacuate? You like Ian finna beat me in the fight? Like, who is Ian? If Ian wanna fade, bro, you can see me, bro. I ain't
Ian will
tripping.
drown you, dude. It's a hurricane, my boy.
Hurricane?
Yes.
What are you talking about, bro? You is tripping, bro.
I'm tripping?
Yeah. Ian
Nah,
is here, bro.
Nah, you wanna be serious. Nah, you
Ian
trying to
is
get
here?
serious.
When did he come?
Nah, Jet, he been here earlier.
Oh, I got an idea.
What?
Come with me.
Let's go.
Man, this is reporting news. We're currently finna go get Willie real quick.
Oh my God.
I'm scared.
Hey, get inside. Get inside. Inside. Go inside. Go inside. Get inside. Inside. Before we get into it, we are currently in the hurricane. I said Iran. What am I talking about? Hurricane Iran. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. Not the tree. No, look at the tree. Oh my God, we gotta go. Let's go to Willie House. We gotta currently go to Willie House. Eddie, come on. Look at the leaves. Oh my God. Come on. We gotta go. Hurry up.
Alright, man, this guy need to hurry up, bro, because we're in the whole hurricane right now, bro. Come on, bro. Yo. See, you ain't got no signal, bro. That's what I'm saying. We getting hit hard, bro. Come outside, bro. The hurricane is hitting, bro. What is he talking about right now? Bro, we get no connection. Come outside.
I ain't gonna lie, mama yelled at me. Boy, don't put my mama on camera, Jit. No.
Bro, hurry up, bro. We gotta go.
We crazy, not y'all crazy. We crazy.
We finna explore this real quick.
I'm finna battle the storm, beat up the storm, you feel me? Yeah. Me and the storm going to football, you know what I'm saying? Whole game shit, you know what I'm saying? We going the whole game. Man, what? We finna go in the whole, me and this storm finna have a game. That's what we finna.
Is that true?
Yeah, I'm playing football in this. What you mean? Shit is not better than me. I've been through Irma. This is Ian. What is Ian gonna do? This nigga named Ian. I heard I'm gonna get some Irma. Who the fuck to get Irma? Come on now. I'm gonna tell my dogs, man. Let me tell my dog. Hey, you see, I'm with my dogs. I'm with my dogs. Y'all know what I'm saying? AJ finna go through the store. Please.
See that truck?
Look at that drill, you know what I'm saying? And out here, that boy, he's looking pretty scared. No. Anthony got the forces on. Oh my God. Oh, young man, he is battling the storm too. Oh my God. Hey, y'all, if you hear something, it's Ian going on. That's
What's
all
going on?
You hear Ian going on, bro. Nothing but Ian going on. Whole lot of Ian stuff, you feel me?
Let's go explore real quick.
We
So
out here
look,
exploring,
like I said, man, we is already in the hurricane right now. But I ain't gonna lie, this is like the beginning stages, bro. Yo, we not in the real deal Holyfield effect, but it's coming. So as you can see, the branches is already down. The branches is already. What's going on, Anthony? The umbrella. Fix the umbrella. As you can see, this whole tree is on the ground right now. This is not good. Like I said, this is the beginning stages of Hurricane Ian. I don't know what's going on, but on to the next. The next branch. It's a whole nother branch on the ground. As I said, this is just the beginning stages. We didn't even get hit yet. On to the next. I just see what if a branch just follow my head? That would be bad. So we is at what? What is that? What? That's what I'm talking about, bro.
So I'll be like, this ain't too, but ever since the umbrella went upside down, but Jimmy.
That's what I'm saying, bro. So we in the back of Willie crib right now.
Oh!
Nah, that's crazy.
Whoa!
That's crazy. Look at this water. Willie, you finna be swimming soon.
Huh?
You finna be swimming soon.
They don't know that about this right here.
So
who finna be swimming?
you finna be swimming.
Who finna be swimming?
Nah,
Got a swim coat on.
Hold on, I don't even think we can go over there.
Hey,
Can we go over there? Like, bump it, bro. Come on. Willie, you finna be swimming.
oh!
Willie, you finna be swimming soon, bro. Willie, you finna be swimming soon, bro. On to the next. We have to clear for Willie property. But this is just the beginning stages, as I was saying. This is the beginning stages of Hurricane Ian. Last time I remember, Hurricane Irma was crazy. I want to see if Ian go on top Irma.
Let me speak some science to you though real quick, my
What's
friend.
on science?
Let me speak some science to y'all.
What's on science?
Look, the reason why Irma couldn't get us is because, you know, my dad explained to me that we on a slick hill right now, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So slick hill meaning if we on a slick hill, it's gonna take more, or you gonna need more water to flood us, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
So it's good. You know, the diameter of the hill is slides the water on a slip slide. I slide emoji, you feel me?
Slide
so look,
emoji.
to understand me, you ain't gonna have to come with something a little harder than Irma.
Hey, hide that address. Hide that address. All right, as you can see, man, this is our backyard. I don't know what it's looking like, but as you can see, God, that is crazy. That is crazy. It's no way. It's no way. How? This is a stunning tree. Out the root though? Out the root though? Whoa. Out the root though is crazy. Come on, like look at it. Leave this floor in my mouth.
Oh no,
Whoa. Hold on, man. Calm down, bro.
Bro, like I said, bro, Ian is weak, bro. Ian build weak, Irma build weak, you know what I'm saying? I ain't touch Irma. If I power out,
Why is he out here? What? Get inside. Get inside. Why are you out here? Get inside. Come here. Come here. Get inside. Bro. Bro, stop. End the video. So we back again with the news.
Reporting live
So
in the
we
back,
reporting
in the
live.
front yards, in the front
That's
yards.
what I'm saying. I don't know what's going on, but it seems like it really got worse. So
Last time,
I'm stepping all up on the
like
branches.
this, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, what, you gotta chill, bro. You stepping up on all the branches, bro. So, what is wrong with this man? What are you doing, bro? What is wrong with this? Branch has reportedly fallen. As you can see, it fell on the ground. Look at the branch. Why is Willie whole family looking at me right now? Record me, bro. He worried about his own self. We got the whole chunks right here. We live in the fed with it. I know I look good. Take the pic. Show his face, like right here. Make it look good. I can tell a little story. Oh. So as you see, we doing a whole lot of damage. Look at that right now. That's a hazardous. That is a hazardous right now. That is a hazardous. That ain't healthy. Bro, your tree gotta get stronger, bro.
That's what I'm trying
Your
to
tree
figure
weak. As you can see, my tree's nice and sturdy, bro. As you see, this tree has fallen. That is bad. Like, this whole junk is on the ground right now, bro.
But this is critical, bro. This is critical right here, boy.
So as you see,
What you say I gotta do better? What you want my trees to do?
bro, you gotta get some strength, bro. You gotta get some better seeds, bro. So like I said, man. What's wrong with this man, bro? This man is tripping. Oh, I see what you're talking about. I ain't gonna lie, it's getting real serious. It's getting way too serious. It's a whole category 6.
Category 6.
Hold my phone real quick.
Wow.
Hold my phone real quick.
Come on.
Snap break, you know what I'm saying? Listen.
Snap break. Nice. You gonna feed me? Yo, what's...
No, it's
I can get a bite?
hard.
I can get a bite?
Bro, it's hard out here, bro.
It is hard,
It's
huh?
a hurricane. You gotta, you know what I'm saying?
There, power going
Stay
on.
healthy. Keep your bread.
There, you get your grains in.
Like as I said, man, it's getting real healthy out here.
I mean, let me get a bite from the back of the bread.
Bro,
Let me get a bite from the back of the bread.
This man nowhere, bro. Take another bite, bro. William's gonna be swimming soon in his backyard. William's gonna build a whole swimming pool, hey, bro.
I see a fish.
Well, you see that too? Come on, bro. Come on,
I
bro.
tried, bro.
Like, dang, bro.
But
Like,
I ain't mean to do that, but I slipped. You see how I slipped?
you gotta do better, bro. You gotta do better, bro.
Oh!
Ian is really taking over, bro. What just dropped on me?
I don't know either, but that's what I said, bro. Something like
So it just dropped on me. Ian, bro, we gonna have to fade, bro. Cause I don't like how you really, you know what I'm saying, doing this to me. Ian! Hold on. Ian being real lethal out here, alright? It's getting real lethal. Bro, I was, bro. I didn't die, bro. It's a whole category 10. We getting hit hard right now. I don't know what's going on, but we just gotta lock in, bro. We gotta lock in.
Why is all
Bro,
my...
not the McQueens.
Yo.
What happened? Not the McQueens. They're drowning. It's gonna go inside your ankles.
Not the McQueens, bro.
Look, as you can see, man, Willie's backyard is done for. It's clipped. It's over with. Willie got a lot of cleaning up to do.
Don't ask us for help.
That's what I'm saying, because I'm not helping you either. Don't ask me for help. Don't ask me for help. Because I'm not helping, bro. We is inside our backyard right now. So far, you feel me? I don't really, I mean, other than the tree that fell already, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing crazy, but I tell you what, hey, I think it was already like that. So as you can see, the tree's still here. The tree's still on the ground. No, this is still on the ground. But I really, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing changed. Ain't nothing changed. But just talking about Jit. Hold on. Hey, that's what I'm saying. We done in an earthquake. Hey, watch our steps, bro. Watch our steps. We is swimming low key. Well, we getting deeper, Willie. I think your ankles might get done up. Bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty bad, bro. Bro, your shoes just need a deep cleaning, bro. That's just what it is, bro. So I see another tree has fallen.
Bro, y'all not taking the sweet over here either. Looks like y'all ain't gonna have no food going.
Or another tree has fallen. Hey, Willie, your ankles, they know finna get done up right here.
Bro, why is this so deep?
Another tree has fallen.
Let me even rain that much, bro.
Hurricane Ian is not playing no game. When do you think this is gonna stop? But we weatherman. It's gonna stop in a couple days. So we gonna be cool. We gonna be straight.
Bro,
so make sure y'all got y'all foods, y'all bevs,
Yes.
and make sure y'all always eat.
Yes.
That is bad. It's
Let
so.
me eat it from the back.
Hold on. Whitney's crazy. Whitney's crazy. Get low. That's how you eat.
Lowest man win.
Lowest man win.
Lowest man win.
So this is a lot to contain.
Yeah.
This is a hazardous right now. We putting our life on the line right. Here we go, round two. Round two. So as I said, we putting our lives on the line right now for y'all boys. Hurricane Ian is really taking over right now.
Bro, Hurricane Ian.
But this is not the end. But this is going to stop this clip. Shit. We're going to show y'all in the morning.
Yeah, we gonna come out here and show y'all what it's looking like.
So make sure y'all stay tuned.
Yeah,
And we out.
tune in.
Reported live
Oh,
on
yeah, we
duty,
already
man.
did
You
this.
was
I'm
tripping, bro.
tweaking, huh?
So look, as you can see, man, this Ian real deal ripped off the whole entire chunk off the pavement, man. So look, this is crazy, bro. Like, you can really, like, you feel me? I'm literally standing up on this junk right now. Ian is not playing no games.
Ian is really living.
Like, he is real deal living right now. These boots is not, like, you know what I'm saying, stable. So if I fall, man, that's gonna be bad. This is the aftermath. As you can see, it look terrible, but we gotta do better, bro. We gotta do better. I don't know, man. Ian might be topping Irma after this. Ian might be topping Irma after this. We at the second location with it, as you can see, man. So Willie doing his own interview. I'm doing my own interview. And look, as you can see, man, this truck is clearly stripped off the root. Strictly off the root. Like, oh my, like, look at this. Zoom in on this. This is strictly ripped out of the root. Oh my God, this is bad. This is hazardous. Like, bro, how? Like, look at this. Analyze the whole root. This truck came out. Oh yeah, that tree was meant to go, bro. Y'all really need to analyze. Like, trees is not wheat.
Hang out there.
Trees is not wheat. You said hang up there? Yeah, man, this don't really like break. I'm gonna be looking sick.
What you finna try to do some pull-ups or something, Jit?
Yeah.
Continue, please.
Wait, hold on.
Don't
Wait, hold on.
Jeez, swing you, Jit.
I'm trying to do something real quick. I'm gonna do it.
Oh! Bro, you go. Oh, yeah, you playing games.
Doing my pull-ups, bro.
He playing games, bro. He playing with his life right now, man.
I was had to do quick little pull-ups. I ain't gonna lie, this is the second location, man.
Whoa! Look over there.
It is kind of crazy. I ain't even gonna lie.
And this bit leaning.
That junk is leaning. Come on, man, hurry up. Like you see, as you can zoom in on that right there. That ain't good, bro. This ain't healthy. It's not good at all. So, Ian was not playing no games. Ian, it might be topping Irma. So they got the tails cut off. So we really not supposed to be over here right now. But guess what? We the news. We can do what we want, bro. What they gonna tell me? They can't tell me nothing. You said touch it. Touch the power line? Yeah. All right. Crazy.
That is a big tree.
How'd that happen?
I gotta get on that side, man.
That's my husband. He'll give you a tape when it's actually coming out the ground, falling down. We take it off.
Really?
Can I get it?
Can I get the video?
Yeah, you're not gonna do something. Get your video.
I need that video. Let's go get the video. You
I
tripping?
look you on the video.
I do want the video. You tripping?
Y'all should have came out here when it happened. They had all the fire coming up from all the wires. Then this
The
thing
fire.
came down and broke that off. And then that one.
Oh.
Make sure you get that one snapped too. It keeps letting coming down.
Give him your email address because it's on his phone, so he said he'll just go ahead and send it to you via email.
Featuring on the channel. For sure, deep hole. Hey, y'all pee. Look how I covered the whole street. Ain't gonna lie. This bitch came up out the dirt. Tree ain't strong enough. Been here for like some years. It got tired. You feel me? Ain't gonna lie. This pretty a big tree right here though. Ain't gonna cap. Ain't gonna lie. Hurricane Ian came through the cities. I heard he got everybody wet. No cap.
I ain't never had to do the most, stay in my lane, get the money, now I gotta go. I just wanna run up all these blues, you already know life's good, life with the God is a miracle. I can change your life, knowing now you talk spiritual. I can have your whole crew trying to make a ritual, DP for life.